The Kern 515 EasyMailer is an offline or nearline finishing solution that produces mailing envelopes with inserts from digital print output. EasyMailer enables customers to finish high-impact marketing communications by individually personalizing documents into finished mailing envelopes. EasyMailer, along with Xerox Digital Technologies, will allow customers to increase the profitability of their businesses with this unique finishing solution by opening up new opportunities for their customers. The Kern 515 EasyMailer solution comes in an EU or US format size version machine that has a top feed sheet feeder for cut sheet input and a shingling conveyor for output of finished envelopes. The K515 can process A4 or A3 sheet sizes for the EU version and 8.5 inch by 11 inch or 11 inch by 17 inch sheet sizes for the US version. If A3 or 11 inch by 17 inch sheets are being processed, the K515 has an internal cutter to cut the sheets in half to produce A4 or 8.5 inch by 11 inch sheets. The K515 also comes equipped with a camera for reading 2D data matrix glyphs for document integrity and reprint functions. The EasyMailer application begins with the composition of a printed mailing piece using a special layout of an EasyMailer envelope on a standard sheet of paper. This special layout presents an envelope page with a 26-degree angle of the finished envelope front, so the flaps can be wrapped and glued in the back of the sheet. Customers may use their current variable data software to create this layout. However, it may be cumbersome to match up the flaps of the envelopes. A template can be provided for customers who wish to use their own software packages. Kern has recommended software partners that have developed software tool sets, taking the grind out of composing this special EasyMailer layout. One such partner is Absolute Electronics and their Peppermill composition software for EasyMailer. Peppermill is a standalone composition tool for variable data applications that can create EasyMailer applications. With EasyMailer, the whole piece can be personalized, including the outside and inside of the envelope, as well as the inserts, allowing you to directly target the customer with your message. EasyMailer has many options for producing mail pieces. A4 or 8.5 by 11 inch sheets with 1, 2, or 3 insert sheets. A3 or 11 by 17 inch sheets with 1, 2, or 3 insert sheets. Or finally, variable insert sheets for both A4 and A3 European format and 8.5 by 11 inch or 17 inch US format paper sizes. Let's take a quick look at how the EasyMailer 515 works. The first step is to print the envelope sheets and inserts. Once completed, the pre-printed job is loaded onto the feeder platform. The K515 will feed one sheet at a time. Once the sheet is pulled off the sheet feeder, it will enter the K515 and, in the case of A3 or 11 by 17 inch sheets, stop so that the internal cutter can cut the sheet in half. The envelope sheet is flipped, glued, and sent to the folding station. Meanwhile, the first insert sheet will go to the front of the K515 to get Z-folded. If there are more than one insert sheet, they are now fed, cut, and folded in the same manner. The inserts are now inserted into the folding station. The envelope sheet, which is now on the bottom of the set, is scored and folded around the inserts, and pressure is applied to seal the envelope. The completed piece is then sent to the shingling conveyor. This process is the same for A3, A4, 8.5 inch by 11 inch, or 11 by 17 inch sheets, with the exception of the cutting step. In A3 or 11 by 17 inch mode, the system can produce sets at a speed of 1250 per hour with one folded insert, 900 per hour with two folded inserts, and 700 per hour with three folded inserts. In A4 or 8.5 by 11 inch mode, the system operates at speeds of 1200, 800, and 600 sets per hour respectively. The input tray can accommodate 6,000 sheets of 90 GSM or 24-pound paper, or an equivalent of a 60 centimeter or 24-inch stack height. To ensure variable job accuracy, 2D data matrix glyphs are printed on each envelope and insert sheet during composition of the job. A camera reads the glyphs to make sure that each set is complete and accurate. If a piece is not completed, the EasyMailer communicates with the integrity checking software to recreate the piece. Operation and maintenance of the EasyMailer is quite simple. An easy-to-read, intuitive touchscreen control panel gives the user access to all features and functions, as well as error codes and corrective actions. Adding glue is simple through the use of these easy-to-change glue packs. Periodic cleaning and adjustments are no problem since all the internal areas of the EasyMailer can easily be reached. The K515 EasyMailer is a one-step solution for creating direct mail applications in any run length economically and accurately. It's a solution that many have been waiting for, and it will open the doors for new applications and new markets for you and your customers.